Alrighty guys, wheels are all in the back. You guys can, there it goes. They fit. We could probably still put 4 more in there. It's pretty nice actually having all that space. I would have figured out a way to get them inside the Subi. I would have figured it out, but it would have been a pain in the ass. I would have got it though, eventually. So, okay, to the tire shop. Jenny guys. Alrighty, Jenny boys. Just for you. Stock, but it's an R-Spec. Sweet. Alrighty guys, so wheels, I guess I gotta wait. They said up to an hour and a half, so I guess that's what we're gonna be doing today. Is there anything that you actually needed to do, or you want to chill here?
I ain't got nothing to do.
Okay. Well, alrighty. Subi STI right there. Alrighty guys, I guess while we're waiting on these wheels, we're gonna go scout for some cars at some car dealerships and stuff. See if there's anything cool to look at. If there is, then I guess I'll show you guys.
License plate says Smurfed.
Well, the boxes are all tore apart, so that's a good sign.
We just don't want them to touch.
Oh yeah. I was looking for a little tiny bit of a stretch. Yep, and it got it. Little tiny bit. Sweet. They look good. Hell yeah. Wheels are here finally now. Thank God. I did run into an issue. If I can find it, they scratched one of them. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see it. You see how it's scratched. Luckily, it's right up in the up in that lip to where like you won't really even see it.
Right there. Right there.
Yeah. But I mean, from this angle, I mean, you're never gonna see it, but yeah, that was kind of like the disappointing part. But they went ahead and refunded me all of my money for like the labor and stuff for them to mount the tires and balance them and stuff like that. But it still kind of sucks because I've waited on wheels for so long. But hell, I mean, what do you do? So they should be okay. I'm not going to install the wheels today. I'm going to pick this video right back up tomorrow. I'm going to wait on my hub-centric rings to get here in the mail and stuff. I don't want to take off my wheels for no reason, put these things on and have to take them right back off. Alrighty guys, it's day 2 of putting these wheels on and stuff. My hub-centric rings finally arrived today, and I went ahead and threw on the center caps. Black. I think they turned out really good. I like how they're black on the center instead of the gold, but I got to move Amberly's car out, and then I'm gonna pull the Subi inside the garage. Okay guys, car in the garage. Finally. Hub-centric rings finally came in, like I said. I guess it's 75? No. It's 73.1 to 56 0.1. That's what I ended up needing for these rings to fit. I don't think they fit. They're still, they don't fit in there all the way. Well, I got them in there. I had to beat the shit out of them to get them to fit, but they're flush, so that should work. Alrighty guys, first one is done. It looks really good. I definitely need to drop this more. I'm not gonna do that today. I'm gonna do that another day. Just when I get a little bit more time, I'll adjust the coils and drop her down a little bit more. But yeah, first one is done. Turned out really good. I like the way they look a lot. It just needs to be lower. But I'm gonna knock out these other three, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna be going over to Vince's house, and I'm gonna see if he can get me like some rollers and stuff like that too. So let's knock these things out. Alrighty guys, there you go. Just made it over here to the next spot and stuff. Car looks freaking awesome. I know that I still need to work on the fitment and stuff, but whenever I get some time, I'll get around to doing that. But for now, I'm just gonna have to deal with it. But it looks so aggressive, man. It's so, it's definitely got that like rally car look to it. And I think the reason why is because it is sitting quite high. It's a little bit higher in the front than it is in the back too. But I think it looks freaking awesome, especially once I get like a really big ass duckbill, wrap the roof black, some side skirts and stuff like that. It should turn out really good. I'm wanting to get some like the rain guards and stuff too. I just like the way they look on the cars, but it's turning out really, really well. So yeah guys, I'm gonna run over to Vince's house, see if he can get me some rollers and stuff. Hey guys, tires feel really good, super responsive. Definitely can feel a lot more of the road just because they're low profile tires, but I don't have any like wheel wobble or anything like that from the hub centric rings and stuff like that. It seems like they fit on there pretty straight. So even though I had to beat them with a hammer, it still turned out okay. So, well, after about 10 miles of driving over to Vince's, my tire pressure light came on, so I guess the Subaru TPMS sensor didn't do it, I guess. So I'm gonna have to go to a shop to have it calibrated to my car, I guess, but no big deal. We got a tunnel. So much fun. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh. Oh. You like them? Yeah.
It's just crazy because they look small. You know what I mean? Does it not look, they don't look like they're bigger than your stock price.
I think they do a little bit.
I was looking at yours and looking at mine. I was like, mine actually look the same size as yours. Mine are 17s.
Yeah. I mean, it is only an inch.
That's awesome, though. Those look fucking sweet.
Yeah, definitely needs to be lower, but I didn't have time to do that today, so.
We paint calipers too.
Yeah, my TPMS light came on. Yeah, that's not a big deal though. I'll just take them to a shop, and I thought that since I ordered Subaru TPMS sensors that it'd already be calibrated. Hell, it was all the way until I was gonna get off your exit before it even turned on.
Oh shit.
It's the exact same size. My tires are the exact same size as my mud flaps.
Oh yeah.
That's like perfect.
The back windows for sure.
Yep. You know how I did that Instagram thing on hitting the two-step, the launch control? I kind of wanted to do that just for the video today.
Do another launch control two-step?
Yeah. You mind doing it?
Start it for you?
Yeah. Yesterday, I did an Instagram thing. If you guys don't follow me at Rex and Ryan, WRXN Ryan, my phone on Instagram, it didn't pick up the tone. So I'm hoping that this camera is a lot better than my phone. Hopefully the audio is better and it gives that more deep tone, because it sounds so much different than what my camera picked up on my phone. So go ahead and hit it one more time. Hell yeah. Damn, that looks good. Alrighty guys, well that is the vlog. Hopefully you guys liked the video, man. Wheels turned out freaking awesome. I need to lower it a little bit more like I've been saying, but this car is definitely coming along quite well. Still so much more stuff I still need to do, but yeah, if you guys like the video, man, hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Till next time guys, keep it random. Peace.